Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how to upgrade a computer. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the motherboard out of this black computer and I'm going to transfer it to this computer because this motherboard is still good. I'm going to also take the graphics card, which is right here, and put it in this computer, so I'm going to upgrade this computer also at the same time. I'm going to take this power supply and send it to this one because it has more watts than this existing power supply, and I'm going to add another power supply to this computer. Before I start, I'll show you the tools and different components that I'm going to use to upgrade these two PCs. Here's the power supply. Here's the graphics card that's going to go in this motherboard over here. Now these little plugs are the plugs for the front buttons on the computer, the reset button, the power button, the power LED, it says it right here, the hard drive LED. That's what these little connectors are for. This is a USB connector for the front USB ports on the front of the computer. Now out comes the motherboard. And there's the processor. This one's going into the gaming PC. This is how you remove your memory. Just lift up on the tabs on the end. And your memory should pop out. Now your power supply is in. Next, we're going to put the motherboard in. Okay, now we're ready to put the processor in this motherboard and the memory. For the processor, we're going to lift up on this bar. We're going to take the processor, and it only goes in one way. Look at the arrow that's right here. Just like that. Then you lock the processor down. Just like that. And you put a little dab of thermal compound. That's about all you need. Now we attach our fan. Now she's in. Now we're going to drop in our memory. Now I'm filling up all 4 slots on this particular motherboard. So it's going to have a total of 12 gigabytes of memory, DDR3. This is 4 gigabytes. This is another 4 gigabytes. These are 2 gigabytes. This is 2 gigabytes. The memory's in. Now I'll put the motherboard back into the PC case. Before I put my motherboard in, I'm going to put this shield in. And I'm going to find out where my holes are at on the motherboard to attach it to the back of the case, and I'm going to line up these standoffs so they'll match the motherboard.